On this video, we are going to show you how to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone running iOS new update. Disabling this feature gives you more control over your screen brightness, which can be especially useful in certain situations. Step 1. Locate the auto brightness setting. To turn off auto brightness on your iPhone 13, you'll need to access the accessibility setting. Here's how. Open the setting apps on your iPhone. Then you can scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then, under the vision section, you can tap on display and text size. Now, you're in the right place to disable the auto brightness feature. Step 2. To turn off auto brightness. Turning off auto brightness is simple. Just follow this step. In the display and text size setting, you can scroll down until you find the auto brightness option. You can toggle the switch next to auto brightness text to turn it off. That's it. Auto brightness is now disabled on your iPhone. Step 3. Adjust screen brightness manually. With auto brightness turned off, you will need to manually adjust your screen brightness as needed. To do this, you can follow this step. You can swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Now you can locate the brightness slider, which looks like a sun icon on it. You can drag the slider up or down to adjust the screen brightness to your preferences or your needs. Remember to adjust your screen brightness based on your surroundings to reduce eye strain and conserve battery life. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone 13 running on iOS 16. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!